Zoey shave off like a Buddha temple. When you look under Zoey, you think a cute bass. For sure, under Zoey favor gently. When you look underneath Zoey, you think a cute bass. Cause you know cute bass here on the upper side. Like an umbrella. Yeah, for sure. Zoey shave off everything off her crotches. Every single thing. As I feed in your whole bell. Zoey shave off. It clean so till you want to get out. Oh! You know like a shine head? You want to slap it in it, it clean. I'm near Cell Station front. Me not ask you because if I did Eva Franklin Tony, that's the police them are we were. Me say Blueface and him baby mother play and he must kick her in her back and go into the pool. She go into the pool and me hear the police come a Blueface yard. So me don't know how Annie so careless and police can go Annie yard for negligence. Annie knows that Zoey are emulator. Annie knows that Zoey are walking her footsteps because Annie set the trend. Annie knows that Zoey are involved in all sort of something. I'm not asking. Me not ask, I tell you. Quickly them come for Aki walk. Oh, nobody can come for Annie. Me not give it to Annie, I give it to Zoey too. I get like them I go, I get like them I walk and take husband, baby father and boyfriend. I get like them I get like Zoey, and that you not understand. I get like Zoey walk and take people man like dog. I get like them and make your man can't stay with y'all in a rainfalls. You never know that. When I go like you never know that. Yeah? I get like them So I don't know where you come from my program and tell me say leave the little girl alone for. I don't say no little girl in a Zoey. I say a whore. And that means say I say a whore. You say if a house burn down and the mother there dance and the child in the baby in the house and the baby get burned up, police lock up the mother, you know. The commissioner need to find which district Annie live in and the commissioner need to prosecute those policemen in the community and them can't tell me say them not hear the argument. Annie have a policeman we are back her. Me not ask you. Annie cry and say we're gonna lock up Aki Walk. We're gonna lock up Aki Walk. No, for true. Annie said we're gonna lock up Aki Walk and Aki Walk did get locked up. They locked up Aki Walk. So I want to know right now, why is Annie so free? The commissioner need to find the district where Annie live in and prosecute everybody in the station. It's true. It's true. What you mean me for cuss Annie? The way you know me cuss people, leave the little girl alone, go suck out the big old part of your mother. Go laba juice your mother. Go and laba juice your mother with a fire station hose. You never know. Go nyam out your mother with a fire station hose. Which part you see little girl? So when she gonna be held accountable, I want thing with the court, you know. You see if you have 15 and you kill a body or them catch you with gun, they might prosecute you like an adult. So we never hear none of you go defend a 15-year-old who do them wrongs yet. And the station hold on them. But eat out your mother from back way with your two front teeth, ox out her crutches like a coconut. So you careless, and all of you putting them soap wood sideways. You're putting them soap wood already no wash off. Them little mouth smell like crutches. Me not ask you, tell me, I tell you. Yeah? Yeah, come from my program. But cause I need the way you know my cuss people and leave the little girl. The little girl things. Yeah, I just want to tell you that. I say you're putting them where you have a baby. Don't to the boy them a suck cocky. If you have any son. Yeah. You say cuss Annie and leave the little girl. At that you put in your statement. At that you put in your statement. So I address you according to your statement. You have to, but you never cuss me. When I wait for you for cuss me. Are you alone I try to see little girl? Me not stifle my vision like my conscience. Are you alone see a little girl? No little girl not there so. No little girl they say all any girl pick them breed out them latitude. Where you try to tell me say no man no they decide them for rub them belly. Eh? But you say to me. It's not like Annie never know the little boy. Annie gave Zoey the consent for suck food. And you know, say, the boy come from Kingston. Oh, she know that. The boy did all borrow money from Annie because Zoey not working and Zoey not scamming. So the boy borrow money from Annie. Annie know all of this. So why would you communicate with a 15-year-old old man? Because the boy older than Zoey. Your daughter 15 and you communicate with the boyfriend. Talk to me now. So what you mean? What you mean cuss Annie and leave the little boy and leave the little girl alone? The little girl not there, so. And yeah, when I about tell yeah, the little boy talk to Zoey on Annie phone over and over. What you say? Annie give consent. So when you come from a program and you not talk about say X, Y, and Z. Exactly. Exactly. When you walk and justify, you know much girl of them man. And a little girl like Zoey, I ride up them man cocky. She's a little bit unfriendly alone. She's a little bit unfriendly with her all. Zoey use her pum pum as greetings. Hello. Everybody Zoey say, her all say, hello, howdy, how are you? Her crutches never tell her would say, I'm busy, I'm busy, I'm busy. Never. So what you say? Who a Bob? Who the smell here? Never tell her I would say, you know, I'm busy, I'm busy, I'm busy. A little girl like them, yeah. Enough of them little girl interrupt uno relationship. And you saying yourself, if you don't hold the mother accountable, enough of them little girl are going to take on the man because remember man are there with age. Man not take tight hold again. Man not take comfortable crutches. Man not take headlamp with just a push. Man not take titty pan chest. Man not take no do body. Yes. Of course, you teach Zoey. Zoey reached the age and Zoey have the knowledge that Zoey can say, I don't want that. I don't want that for me. Your mother can be a whore and you be a saint. You never know that. So when una did young, una wait for a moment to tell you when to go to the road. When una did young, una wait for no mother to tell you out the road. Some of our mother have to walk and suck with and broke body for feed way. I don't want that for me. But if that's what my mom has to do or had to do, let her do it. But for me, no. So all of them forget the blame. All of them forget the blame. You can't say your born and your mother wash clothes and you want to go up and wash clothes too. Make it make sense. I agree. You get the picnic the green light to be an adult. Child is going to do adult stuff. She's going to do adult stuff. So when I try saying, these are the stuff that make Annie feel brave enough to come on the live every morning and class. Everybody who go up against she or Zoey. When you see it, and you want to switch the focus to the boy. The boy alone can't go to prison, and you have to go to prison too. And the station in your community will know so you sell them clutches or give away. Me not ask you. And one thing with junking man, you know, once them can get free front, they might take it and go with it. Me not ask you. And that's the problem because police should have there for negligence. Yeah. Police should have there you for carelessness because you have your daughter around you 24/7. Now you your daughter live with. You go like your daughter travel back and forth. Mama, whether that you hold my baby, you want something off of my lip in your hole. I remember say your hole no come with no red. Police still lock up Annie. Everybody sit down on the upper top boy says, see the boy, 12 what my baby. Everybody sit on the internet to talk about X, Y, and Z. Lock up Annie. Lock up Annie. Annie go work every day and prosecute somebody's son. Funny part about life, it's not like Annie never knows that Zoey is so cold. Annie knows that Zoey is so cold because Annie depend tape to a so cold. Zoey depend tape is so cold. We not even know if Alex is so cold to find tape. We don't know. Because at the end of the day, everybody is so good. And you just have a so good family. There's always sit on your cocky, you know. Whoever watch porn. And when them stick all the deal up on the floor, and them go by and just a bomb so up and down, all around the town. When the breeze blow, your dirty bag is shown. I saw the 15-year-old girl at one. I saw the 50-year-old girl at one. Same way, so we as females, we take a man in as we go to him, we have to watch him eye. Me in them relationship there. Me now watch no boy eye. Oh. I mean, we have a good belly bottom. Yeah. It's true. So we are more professional than enough away because enough we can even sit down on old good. Enough we can even sit down on old good much as a bomb it have. Some we have a rackle. Rock like old mouth. I'm not ask you. Them for carry Annie go to jail. Annie must learn a lesson. Annie must learn a lesson. Annie need to. Annie must learn a lesson. She need to be reprimanded. Yeah. A 15-year-old little girl. Sit down on body. Position good. And the cocky. Where Zoey learn that? And Zoey not go to school. Where did Zoey learn how to sit down on cocky? Sit down on like chill lady. She deprived the child of them education, of course. All of them. Nobody never graduate, not even Jagger. Not even Jagger did in him tune. Not even Jagger. All of them. The mother decides she not send them to school because she want to live a dirty life and she don't want nobody mark them at school. So she keep them at home because they must come and live the same dirty life too. If Zoey did that at school, she'd probably suck all the principal hood. Because they have a mouth problem. It look like Zoey a teeth. It look like Zoey a teeth for sure. They have a mouth problem. And I mean, and them. I say one thing. I say Zoey has something with me when they for me teach Zoey. And when they for me teach Zoey. Because me I say me alone have the contour sucking, you know. And me alone lock my jawbone. Sometimes I forget to open my jawbone. Sometimes when I don't suck all the wood in, I can't even bite dumpling because my jaw them still lock. So you got some good, nice dark chocolate now. Yeah, sometimes when I lock all my jawbone, I forget to open it, you know. Honestly, I forget to open my jawbone. Yeah, Zoey have good jawbone. Excellent jawbone. Me not ask you. What you mean your jawbone tight? You want to please the man, baby girl? Sometimes you're so good enough until you forget how to open your eye. Zoey is staring at the man's face. That's what. This is love. Only love. Ooh, I think I'm falling for you. Yeah. Zoey shoot the cocky and spit back on the body. What you say? Who teach a 15-year-old little girl that? Who teach them? Who teach her that? Yeah. Sometimes me depend it and me a suck it in and me I wonder if the man can just come or done. You know? Me depend. Sometimes I suck it until you think my power, my eyes them gone so. I saw my eyes them gone. Now Zoey has picked back pan hood and I lick it off. Me not in the life, me never do that yet in my life. Spit and lick off, cause anything come out of my body, me not take it back. Zoey chest plate good. A iron dish. Is a iron dish Zoey have here so. Zoey have an iron plate here so. Me not tell no lie when everybody wear gold teeth, Zoey wear a breastplate. Me not ask you. Cause in all of my life, me never do that yet, James. You know? Spit and suck it. No man, move your down table. Move. So we go to sound till I breath think. I drank her stomach shot for you. I said this to somebody, you know. I said Zoey is so much of an adult that she know to shave her crotches when she go grind. Now a 15-year-old know to shave them crotches when they go grind. A normal 15-year-old little girl, she open her crotches and give to the man same way. Part ear and go in and make my newborn ear them cut up your hood. You will think me tight, Nicoline. You will think me tight. When you would chop up base and my big ear. It's true. Zoey shave off like a Buddha temple. When you look under Zoey, you think a cute bass. For true. Under Zoey favor gently. When you look underneath Zoey, you think a cute bass. Cause you know cute bass ear only up here so. Like an umbrella. Yeah, for true. Zoey shave off everything off her crotches. Every single thing. As a 15-year-old bell. Zoey shave off. It clean. It cleans until you want to get out. You know, like a shine head. You want to slap it in the head. It clean. And Zoey have her foot in her chest. So Zoey know how to take cocky. She have her foot in her chest. Now a boy lift up my foot and put in my chest as flexible as maybe me have too much belly button and you stab out my fat. You stab out my fat, sir. Take time. Yeah, you stab out my fat. I'm supposed to feel it all in my throat. Become a very gummy. I'm supposed to feel it all in my throat. Of course, the mother upset because the video leak. It's sick stomach for true. You can imagine. Me and someone can even take cocky so. Cause we're full of flesh in our belly button. Remember when I hook from in a blanket? Remember our virginity take after 12 o'clock. Our virginity take in the evening. None of our virginity, most of our virginity never take in the morning. You get what I say? So we are late bloomers. Yeah, we are late bloomers. Yeah, we are late bloomers. Remember say, oh, won't take after 12 o'clock. Oh, won't take when I dinner time or bedtime. Talk truth. No, for we lose virginity and the light sensor. No, Zoey lose her throat back and the camera. A long time Zoey suck out. This is not Zoey's first rodeo. Which girl never suck out yet and can suck out, spit back pan cocky and look up in a boy face and girl up back. Zoey supposed to can eat ice that's good while me there trying yam it. Me not ask you now. Zoey supposed to can eat ice that's excellent. And it's just the truth. Remember we say Annie pan video suck wood in her Annie suck wood like she have been a dozen false teeth. Like her poly grip never grip. You know? Remember we say Anya suck wood in her and the wood where Anya suck wood like she the one nursing home and them a feed her to ensure. Eh? Remember we say Anya suck wood that Annie can even take cocky because in a Annie big and white. You don't think it's a portal. Remember, you know, we see them something on like we never see it. Remember, underneath and it stay bad, like when dog have vomit. We not go like we never see it. Remember, Nessa Purple, come on, the man. You go like you don't remember Nessa Purple, me conky with the dust, you know. You go like you never remember them something there. No, and I really terribly, I'm a baby, but the truth. No. You have a 16-year-old where I'm mad, at least you still reach the age, you take old, but you still reach the age of adulthood. At 16, fear is fear. Remember, we say all of that, and Zoey make Annie know, say, Mommy, you're losing the race, you know. You can imagine somebody just come and win you. Remember that Zoey saying that Shalisa that Zoey say, and it's just, let me tell you something, when a 15-year-old boy you take up gun, you know, he might go on like him at the done in the community. Am I lying? Come on, go beard and wash flowers foot. Eh? Tell the truth. You don't know when a 15-year-old boy a chump badness, start truth, he might walk with him ratchet. No, you not even want to see him pan bus and sit down before him. You have to make him sit down at any seat, leave you, take it. Am I lying? If him are going on the taxi, you have to give him the front seat, and if him are sitting at the back, you have to ask him if him comfortable and alright. Show our falls. So why is it when a little girl behave like a pro? Why we can't call it out? Zoey suck the hood better than enough, for we are lucky thing me an expert pan khaki. A lucky thing me start off a cane. A cane me start off, I know my mouth have to go for the sleeping police who call bomb. Khaki and come with too much giant. Oh, me not suck no boy who don't look in him eye. Him either for rock back and him nasty. Me look how him a go and I say alright then me I do a good job. But me not look pan him a look pan me and know say this is just a one-off. One year, Zoey too brave in the Gideon. Zoey too brave in the Gideon. Me not ask you know. I'm go wash out my mouth you know. Zoey too brave in the Gideon. Zoey and Annie good all shame you know. Yeah, she not choke. Oh, Zoey for choke and Zoey not have no choke back. The same way Zoey not have no belly bottom. Oh, Zoey for choke. One year girl, and everything in the Annie house Zoey swallow, even the furniture. Even the furniture Zoey swallow. Then we'll not say. Of course, Zoey mouth was made for it. Yeah, she suck the cocky better than how she take it. Yeah. She suck the hood better than how she take it, my love. And I look up in her face and when I go talk say she's a 15-year-old girl. She's a 15 and you never do them something yet. Not even when you have 40,000. No, but I true me attack. Me say Annie sit down on the live and Annie argue with all mackerel. Annie argue with all mackerel. Yes it is. Yes, Audrey. You know Coda bar. Huh? You know what smell we don't need now? Yeah. I put on back my lip. Annie Africa's jagger. And that's why Anna take away a man from around them because Anna knows say her sister them a rat patrol. Anna knows say her sister them a city post. Every man in the city slap up them kitty. Then you think Anna no know? Anna know. Anna know. Anna say Annie feel and then Anna come out to defend Annie. Anna go in, you are Redance Favor Africa. You are Redance Favor Africa. Cause remember, you go back go breed for Redance. You breed for a broke boy. A two broke baby father Anna breed for. So I don't understand how Anna come on the app. Anna go on. And you can't do you go fix up yourself because Redance does not even buy a bundle of plastic here. Him does not even buy a bundle of thermocool. Him? I make you put on for your head and you come on the upper seat. Money, I don't know how you and your baby father do the same place and you go breed for him. I not look on you, Anna. If nobody a class and you're supposed to glad, at least you can say she a change. Move your nasty big crutches, stay bad self and go. You go like your old good, that's true. Redance body have no ambition. Redance willing if you not go look no work. Oh, you could have buy a bundle of thermocool and make you put by your head. You could have beat plastic in a summer Jamaica so everything melt by your head. You think I joke like all the time at? I mean, I understand. Eh? So when you have the baby now, you will come and ask for baby clothes. That's why on the picnic can't come out to nothing because no one can take handout from people like crazy. None of the picnic never born in the blood, sweat and tears yet. All on the picnic born in a beggy. Hmm? Yes, Nicoline is true. It's true, and she can do here. So it easy pan she is, but you see them people there come and play a victim. Them come like some Africans cook outside when them kitchen inside look good. Me not ask you know, everybody I try make money one way I try scam somebody. You are Redance favor all clothes. You want him stand up on the live on a favor clearance rack. You know look like behind a target. For true Burlington. Me not ask you know, no disrespecting a Redance, but I just want me say